How to add multiple accounts on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Pinterest application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store app and search for Pinterest. Now check if there are any updates available for this application. Now as you can see, there are no updates option available, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of Pinterest application. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see 5 different options. Now tap on the option that is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then tap on the profile at the top left corner of the screen. So here's your account and your information. Now while scrolling down you can see the option of add account over here, so just tap on add account. Now you can create a free business account or you can create a new personal account, whereas you can also connect an existing account. So here I'm going to tap on connect existing account. So you can connect via your Google account or you can just add your email address, and that's how you can add multiple accounts on Pinterest. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.